Good morning, class 10. Today we are going to do chapter number 8, matrices, exercise 8.2. Okay, question number 6. Here you can see 2150 minus 3x is given this matrix. Now you have to solve and find the value of x. So first of all, like you find the value of x, firstly shift this to another side. So minus 3x will be shifted, it will become 3x after transposing. And when this will be transposed to this side, here there is no sign, it means plus is there, so it will become minus. So now when after solving, 2 minus minus will be plus, so 2 plus 7, 1 minus 4, 5 minus 2, 0 minus 6 is equals to 3x. Now, so your answer is 9, 3, matrix 9, 3 minus 3 minus 6 is equals to 3x. Now x will be, when 3 will be shifted to the other side, it will be divided because here it is multiplied, so it will become 1 by 3 matrix 9, 3 minus 3 minus 6. That is equals to, after solving, when you will divide 9 by 3, it will give you 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2. So this is your answer. Now question number 8, here the matrix A, B, C is given. You have to find the value of x given this equation. So for this equation, first, because you need to find the value of x matrix, so first you write 2x is equals to 2b plus 2c. A will be shifted, it will become minus a. After that, put the values. So 2b will be 2b matrix, then plus c will be this matrix, minus a will be this matrix. After that, multiply 2 to b matrix. So that will give you minus 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0. After that, write everything as it is. Now solve. Because here the sign is plus, so this matrix will be added, and because here the sign is minus, so this will be subtracted. So writing it together, you get 2x matrix is equals to minus 4, 10, 6, 2. So from here what do we get? Now 2 will be shifted to other side, so it will become 1 by 2. Now you have to divide 2 with all the numbers, all the elements of this matrix. So when you will divide it, you will get minus 2, 5, 3, 1. This is your answer of the matrix X. Okay, now come to question number 9. In question number 9, x plus y is given and x minus y is given. So take this as equation 1 and take this as equation 2. Now when we'll add 1 and 2, what we will get? X plus y plus x minus y. So y and y will cut each other. So what are we left with? 2x. And here we'll add these two matrices. When you will add, we get the answer 10, 0, 2, 8. After that again 2 will be shifted to other side, so it will become 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 10, 2, 0, 8. After you divide it, we get the matrix 5, 1, 0, 4. Now next step is, because we have got the value of x, we need the value of y also. So for getting the value of y, we will subtract 2 from 1. Okay, so you will write x plus y minus x minus y. So when you will write it like that, so minus will become plus. Okay, so now we can cut. So x will cut, y will be left now. So 2y is equals to, after subtracting them, we have got 4, 0, 2, 2 matrix. Now divide it with half. Divide it with 2, so you will get 2, 0, 1, 1 matrix. So this is the value of y. Now question number 10, here the matrices are given, but in between some elements are not given. So we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, so for finding it out, firstly solve it. So normally how do we solve? Just multiply. So multiply inside 2, so it will become 2x, 14, 2 9s are 18, 2y, 2 5s are 10. So 2 will be multiplied to y also and 5 also. Now this matrix will be written as it is, this matrix will be written as it is. After this, because it is addition, so we'll add the elements. So 2x plus 6, 14 minus 7, 18 plus 4, 2y minus 10 plus 5 is equals to this matrix, right hand side matrix. After this, because we need to find the value of x, so we'll write 2x plus 6 is equals to 10. We'll solve it out. We get the value of x is equals to 2. So that's your answer. Now for finding the value of y, we will write this equation. 2y minus 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. So 2y minus 5 is equals to 15. So y is equals to, we have got 20 by 2, that is 10. Okay. So this is all class that you have to do. Other questions of this exercise, you can do it on your own.